Gracias. We are heading back to the hostel because we ended up taking out $30 and
actually we ended up taking $40 out and only got $30 back.
We're gonna confirm that here in a bit, but we ended up going to try to get some croissants, some chocolate croissants and regular cheese croissant, and it was 67 cents, and we have 30, so they didn't have enough change. It's a lot. So we're
luckily
getting some change
we're right
now.
down the road. Yeah, thank God. Okay, so I actually took out 30. I swear I pressed 40, but I guess I took out 30, so we're good. Vamos a regresar to tour. A las 10, ¿sí? Okay.
45 minutos. Okay.
Gracias.
Two pans for 57 centavos. 57 cents.
Chocolate croissant. And Dylan got the cheese. Oh, so good. That's good.
Welcome guys, welcome to my country, welcome to Quito. Ecuador is considered the second smallest country located in South America because Uruguay is the smallest. My country has 4 regions. Okay? One of them is the place, or maybe the region where I was born. I mean the Amazon. Another one is the Andes. You like to climb. You are an indigenous. You are not alpinist. And in Quito we live surrounded by many mountains. We live in the middle, like in a canyon. That's why our temperature here, guys, is very bipolar.
Yeah.
Very changeable. The day before yesterday it was raining, and we're supposed to be in the dry season. Because over here we don't have 4 seasons. We only have 2. We have dry time and rain time.
Those are arrupos.
In Ecuador we have 24 provinces. So the province is Pichincha. Okay, that is the tallest. It's called La Basilica, Iglesia Basilica. The base to the top, you know, it has maybe 115 meters. It's the second tallest in South America.
Wow.
Because the tallest is in Brazil. City, Quito. What is the meaning of it? You know, the word Quito is not a native. It's not by using a native language. It is Spanish.
Yeah.
Because it has the vowel O. Quito, middle of the world, right? But that is not the real meaning because it was changed once Spanish people came here. The real name of it is Quito.
Quito. There's no O, there's no vowel O.
It's U. Quito. If you separate again in 2 words, Qui means center and to of everything. The center of everything. That is the real meaning of the city. Don't bite it. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. You break it already?
Did yours break?
Yeah. Really sweet.
It's very sweet.
Mine was kind of minty.
Look at this. Have you ever seen something like this before? No.
Looks good. It's, I mean,
Wait,
looks
no,
like
looks good?
cinnamon, sugar, nuts.
That is not the normal corn. It is the toasted corn.
Okay.
The toasted corn, maybe the roasted corn, it depends. Okay, but it is corn and plus sugar cane.
Haha.
Okay, that is the result. Okay.
Oh.
Una, dos, tres. Cheers again.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Good.
It's like popcorn. But sweet.
Yeah. Made with coconut. Okay, that is the reason why cocada. Okay, so this is delicious. I like a lot. Okay. And look at this. It's for you. Smell really good. If you want more, just let's go down, okay? Una, dos, tres. Well, it's delicious. I love it. I don't like it. I love it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Made it with peanuts and panela. Panela is sugar cane.
Okay.
And brown sugar.
Panela.
Okay, this is delicious. I like it. Okay, there you go. Sweets in Ecuador, the traditional sweets.
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Smell,
like this.
smell delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very nice. Nice.
Uno.
Dos, tres. Here you go, guys.
That's good.
It's good. There are some steps. Okay, there are some steps. For instance, you have to look at the color. If the color is good, after then you have to smell. Okay.
So there's Salud.
How do you call it in English?
Cheers.
Cheers.
No. Yeah. This
Oh, this brownie.
brownie.
Oh,
¿Cómo se dice en español?
No, brownie.
Oh, brownie.
Close enough.
¿es el mismo? Okay. Brownie. Wow. They're not like this in America.
Made with
The States.
That's why.
That's the best
That
brownie.
is so good. That is so rich, but like soft.
It's not like rich to the point where you're like, it's like too sweet. We are at the Yambos Chocolate Factory and we just did our little chocolate tour. Which one are we getting?
We're getting the mint and the mochaccino, which is like coffee and chocolate.
Like coffee nibs.
Yeah.
And it was so good.